Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a lost password with PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover a lost password with PayPal, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official PayPal website. On the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. Once the login page appears, locate the Having Trouble Logging In link below the login fields. Click on the Having Trouble Logging In link. You will be directed to the password recovery page. Here, enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. After entering your email address, click on the Next button. PayPal will prompt you to choose how you want to receive your password reset code. Select either email or SMS, based on the information linked to your account. If you choose email, check your inbox for a message from PayPal. If you opt for SMS, check your mobile phone for the text message. Once you receive the password reset code, enter it in the provided field. Click the Next button to proceed. If the code is correct, you will be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Enter a new password that meets PayPal's security requirements. Confirm the new password by entering it again. Once both fields are filled, click the Change Password button. You should see a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Now, you can return to the login page. Enter your email address and new password to access your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.